Well, y'all, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Yep, got another check engine light for a different reason. I had the seals replaced on my CV axle, but on this left rear side, the tone ring needs to be replaced. It got a little bit nicked. No, I'm not blaming the mechanic, stuff happens, but if you've never seen what an ABS tone ring looks like, this is it. So that C1043, if I said that right, I'll double check that later. If that's not the right code, I think that's what it is, 1043. I will put it in the description. But if nothing's wrong with your CV axle, you can order this part, BSA71650, which is the rear tone ring. If your ABS sensor works and it just says the tone ring, you do not have to replace your whole CV axle. You can order these tone rings. Shipped to the house about let's say $25, and I'll show you what lights will be on, which you should probably know is pretty easy. Don't worry about that gas light, that's a different situation. But yeah, your check engine light will come on, it'll show ABS, and your ESP, BAS, and traction control, that will come on. But like I said, if you get that code for your tone ring, you can just order these rings, and they go on the CV axle. It's a tone ring. This is what is scanned by your ABS sensor. So we'll see how it goes. I'll give an update.